Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing concentrated, dry proteins so your powder stores well and mixes cleanly. Once you have 1 cup nuts, 1 cup seeds, or 30 whey portions, pre-measure and spread them single layer on a baking tray. Dry roast at 160 degrees for 6-8 minutes to remove surface moisture and intensify nutty notes. Make sure to cool fully so you don't steam during grinding. After cooling, break any large pieces by hand so your grinder starts efficiently and consistently. You now transform roasted ingredients into powder. Work in small batches and pulse rather than run continuously to avoid heating and clumping. Use a high-speed blender or dedicated grinder, 20-30 second bursts, shaking between pulses, then sift through a 0.5 1 mm screen. Once done, regrind the coarse bits 2 times until they pass. If you want flavor or better flow, add 1-2 tablespoons cocoa or sweetener and 1/2 teaspoons salt per batch. These improve taste and reduce static cling when scooping. You finish by combining all fines into a single bowl and mixing thoroughly for uniform nutrition per scoop. Aim for 20-30 g protein per serving by weight. Transfer to airtight jars or Mylar bags with oxygen absorber. Store in a cool, dark place and use within 3 months or refrigerate for 6-8 weeks. If the powder clumps or won't mix, add 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon cornstarch or soy lecithin per cup. Then resift. This improves flow without changing flavor significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.